Guys, we can see that one of our candidates has taken preparation. Let's see if he can complete it completely till the end. Our game today, the one who can cross this boundary in the shortest time will be considered our winner. It can be seen that he could not make it till the end. Viewers, one of us has also prepared. It will be seen that he is his first, and he has missed. The time for one of us has started. Let's see how he can go. He is trying to use his intelligence a lot. Guys, we can see that he has missed. He will come back. You are getting our consolation prize from here. Viewers, we have another candidate who has taken preparation to go ahead. But you have to go in a very short time, because if someone can cross this boundary in less time than you, he will be considered BJP and will leave you behind and go ahead. Time is short, but you have to go in a short time. I can see that he is spending a lot of time trying to use his intelligence to go in a short time. I can see that he is investing a lot of time. You have to go in a short time. Guys, we have seen that another one has made a mistake. One of our candidates, let's see how much time he can go in. We want to see, today we can see,